I have been coming to the Smile Center for a long time. I just love it here. They are very professional. They're fun, and bottom line, they really do care. I had an infection up in the gums, and I had to have my front tooth removed. We came up with a plan and a smile makeover plan that I am so happy about. I really didn't realize how different it would make you feel. I look at befores and I can't even believe that I walked around that long looking like that. This is fabulous. It almost feels like you want to go tell everyone to get a new smile. Um, my teeth before, I couldn't even get them white. They just wouldn't become as white as they are now. Um, and I would recommend anybody to come here. It's totally different, and they really, really do a good job here. Dr. D. Angelos, I call her Dr. Lauren because I can't say her name, and Grace, what a great team. These people really care.